This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Marcus Phipps. New construction 2022. Located in a desirable neighborhood in West Harlingen. Home is set to be 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home with an open floor plan and modern design. Kitchen will have quartz countertops with overhanging lamps, a pot filler faucet, and a pantry. The master bath will be a delight, including a custom barn door, double vanity, private commode, and a large walk-in closet with built-ins. Home will be wired for a security system and will be insulated with spray foam insulation. Call us or your realtor today. Seller is offering $3,000 in seller concessions to help with buyer closing costs. For more information, review the details below or contact Marcus Phipps at 956-423